travel itinerary Tame. Tame is located in the department of Arauca. It is a very beautiful place, surrounded by wonderful young caps and bathed in the crystal clear water. On the district you can enjoy 3 days and 3 nights. Day 1. This day we will welcome you and transfer you to the Villa Sofia Hotel, where you can enjoy beautiful natural water, football and rest from your travels. At night we will transfer to spend a pleasant night in the viewpoint, where you can enjoy cold drink and dance until you decide. Day 2. On this day we will take you for a walk along and the horsey path and eco-toilets and path where you can travel and meet the variety of flora and fauna. During this tour we'll pass through Villa Gabriela and the Welfare Place, where you will have lunch, continue and you will pass the night in the Mount Hico Hotel, located on the west side of Tame, with from a fan called Climate, and you can enjoy food, drink and pool service. Day 3. On this day we will take you for the agriculture area of Tame. You will visit the banana area. You will see the beautiful banana and cocoa crabs. You will enjoy the gastronomy pradas and the crabs that are made with them. You will enjoy a delicious meat llanera and pineapple guarapillo traditional food from our municipality. Ending the day, you will spend the night at the Diamond Hotel, where you will enjoy the food, cocktail in Spain and unforgettable nights. During the tour, we travel by taxi, car, bus, and motorcycles. Within the activities day, you for camping, fishing, riding a bicycle, partying, spending unforgettable moments. During the travel, can stay at the Hotel Villa Sofia and at the Ecotel of the Montaña in Alto Cravo. Those who visit us can enjoy a rice llanera, meat pisillo of chigüiro, product derived from Harton bananas. As drink, you can enjoy a delicious pineapple, guarapillo, banana chicha, banana wine, and beers. The tourist packing offer has capped for 599,000 pesos per person, includes food. Come visit us.